G'day trendsetters. As you can see, I've kind of boxed myself into a corner here, but today I want to plant some sunflowers. And now we're getting towards the end of September, the first month of spring here, and in Toowoomba is a good time to plant sunflowers. This little variety is a Golden Prominence F1. It grows about 5 foot tall, 1.5 meters, and I'm hoping it will work for the pink that I planted here, for the Plants on Pink hashtag on Instagram. You can check that out for yourself. It's just a bit of fun, but I do like to grow some sunflowers each year. And there's only 25 in this packet, and I just spilt half of them. They're black seeds on black. Yeah. Right. Now all I've done, actually I haven't done anything at all. I haven't dug this soil. It has been previously dug a couple of years ago. So I'm just going to poke the seeds in. When they come up, I will mulch quite heavily with the Huflung dung, the Nutrog Huflung dung feeding mulch, and that's probably all I'll do for these guys. And it's just a matter, they want them about 1/4 inch deep. So I just poke them in 30 centimeters apart. And that's it. I'll put 2 rows in. Back here. You probably won't do anything easier than plant sunflower seeds. You can put 2 seeds in each hole if you like, which I might just go around and do now. You will need to thin them out, that's all, to the strongest, healthiest looking plant. I might also stick a few in a little pot in case these don't turn up, and then I've got something I can throw on the ground and keep this this corner here nicely ready for the sunflowers. That's it. So if you've been thinking, or if you've been considering planting sunflowers, now's the time to do it. I'll just backfill those little holes. Oh, I did, this is a very hot little dry corner here, so I did add some of the Yates soil wetting agent just to get the water through the top of this soil, because it's fairly dry, as you're probably aware. We're in the middle of a pretty bad drought. Means a lot to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I've always got something going on that I hope you find interesting, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and thanks for watching.